After my last relationship, I lost interest in everyone. Not because I am bitter, but because I gave so much of myself to someone who couldn't even stay. Parang naubos ako in a sense na naubos ako emotionally, mentally, and even the little excitement I used to feel when meeting someone new. It's just not there. It's not because I don't believe in love anymore. It's just that I haven't fully healed yet. I'm actually trying to put the pieces of myself back together. Because when you love deeply and you lose it, it's actually hard to open up again. You start building walls where you used to build bridges. And maybe, just maybe, I'm not ready yet. Not to fall, not to trust, or to not even try again. Yeah.